Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Academic Technology channel. Today we are going to discuss a very short, simple and important topic: how to add an email trail to a fresh email in Gmail. For example, you are having an issue with your direct supervisor. You've tried to explain in the email and your direct supervisor keep on countering you, and you know that whatever you are saying is right or something. So you've had a very long email thread and you want to report or you want to escalate it. At least you want to let a third party know about what is happening, but you don't want to add them to that same email. What you are going to do is to create a fresh email and send right to the third party. After explaining every single thing that you want to explain, what you are going to do is attach the former email thread, that email that you want the next person to see, attach it to your email. Let me show you how it's done on computer systems. An email thread that I sent an email to Academic Technology. I love your work, blah blah, and probably he responded, this is very nice. So which inquiry do you want to make? Assuming I'm not the person who is making this inquiry directly and I want to involve the third person, but I don't want to involve them on this particular email, what I should do is to click on this. So if I click on compose, I'll go to, maybe I'm sending to buy some gift, right? And say summary of my discussion, right, with Academic. So I've written a fresh email, but I want this buy some gift person to know exactly what I discussed with Academic Technology. So what I'm going to do is to point my cursor here, drag this email and drop it. So if you are looking here, you see that I've attached this email. This is a fresh email, but I've attached the content of this email to this place. So I'll just send. When I send, let me show you how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look. This is it, how it's going to look if you receive it. And if you receive it, you just click on this and see exactly all the discussions that I've had with Academic Technology. Thank you. I hope you are able to learn something new today. Please do not forget to subscribe to Academic Technology channel.